we will peacefully ask you to please leave the chamber.
Yes. I'm going to do exactly that. All I'm saying is that you are so prepared.
Hey, Julius, this day came for a fight, bro. Like, he came for a fight.
To chase people who violate the rules and keep a man who violate the constitution.
Honorable Malema.
You are prepared to chase out
Honorable
people
Malema,
who are protecting the constitution
please
in the name of the rules.
leave the
If there is
chamber.
anyone who must leave,
Honorable
it's this
Malema,
one.
leave the chamber.
I'm not
If anyone has to leave, it's this one. Take out this one first.
going anywhere. I'm elected here.
We will assist you to go.
Wait. He was prepared, bro. He was prepared to fire shots.
We will assist
Let me
you to
tell
go.
you, wait.
Because
what
one
I'm
thing
saying,
We would like you to assist
That's
us.
what.
You.
That's exactly what made you not to be a candidate of the Women's League.
Yeah.
Exactly that. Your
Yeah.
conduct has failed you
Yeah.
to be a candidate for president
Yeah.
because you are irrational,
Aye.
you are impatient,
Aye.
you are partisan.
Aye.
Even your own people have dumped you.
Aye.
After they told
Aye.
you are their candidate,
Yeah.
you went home to do
point of
Aye.
ancestors, you are going to be a president.
Hi. Bro, how did this file even leak, bro? Like, Julius is not to be messed with for real, bro. How does he know about this, bro? Like, this would be so embarrassing for her, bro.
After that, they dumped you because of this conduct. Exactly this conduct. How do you chase
Honorable-
us for breaking the rules
Honorable
and you're
Malema,
not chasing a man
point of
who
order.
has broken
Honorable Malema,
his
we are not
oath
going
of
to be
office,
abused
his
by you.
constitution? We are abused by Zuma here.
We are not going to
We are
allow
abused
you
by Zuma.
to abuse us the whole night.
No, we are abused by Zuma. You are scared of Zuma. He used you, he dumped
Ah.
you. He used you and promised you that you are going to be a president. And you went home, you slaughtered a cow. He
Yo.
dumped you. He dumped you. We are abused by Zuma.